Everybody, hey, it's Father's Day. Wish all you guys out there happy Father's Day. Just out and about, riding around on the quad. Come across something I hadn't seen before. These sure are pretty. I don't know what kind of flowers they are. Man, they sure are pretty. Pretty fine. I don't know what they're called. They sure are pretty flowers. If anybody knows what they are, they can let me know. They sure are pretty. Mother Nature at her beauty. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. And we'll see you all around. Thank you very much. Bye.